Alright, so 16th of November, and we are getting underway with the corn harvest. We have my dump trailer and 6 grain bins here. The guy who's going to be combining for me, shelling the corn, is just getting here. We're getting a little late start. He had to work a half day. So we're going to get underway here real soon. Here's the start of 2016 corn harvest. 9650 STS. See what kind of yield we get. Okay. My dad and Brett are here. We're gonna haul as much as we can over. right now.
You thinking about the road station? No problem.
Yeah, he said it was excellent.
What kind of bullshit, man? Like you were talking, somebody else knows. You're gonna do a voiceover, aren't you?
No. The first load in the wagon that I just got. See how it does. My dad just took the first load down the road. empty. Lake, hauling the wagon through town. Driving over the lake. There's Bob there, I do believe, hauling his beans. It's old Bob. He's the one who's doing the harvesting for us. Dad should be over there unloading. I don't see him. Coming over to get the moisture checked. I think one of my tires is going bad on my wagon. Some big sprayers. Here's my dad, just emptied. All right, pulling up to unload. I'm empty now. I gotta get this wagon back. The tread's starting to come off. come off the one tire, and it looks like it's losing a little bit of air, so I'm gonna get it back and have to get it another tire. Here's the lake again. This big, good fishing lake. Just trying to nurse this tire home and be done using this one until I can get another tire. Should be passing Brett pretty soon. That was 160 bushels that I just brought in, and it's kind of wet. It's 23.5%, which we kind of knew it was wet, but we got to get it done. I planted it a little late, and it's been raining a lot, so it is what it is. Here comes Brett. Hauling in a load. Oh yeah. Dad's got a second load.
Bob just took 2 wagons and hit with his tractor the other way. He hooked me up. He headed that way. I'm going this way now.
All right, he's taking some.
Huh?
He's taking 2.
He's taking 2.
I'm gonna park this wagon. It's the front right tire's starting to tread's coming off. Gonna have to get another tire for it.
He had these change wagons. This is on the field.
All right, take it slow. Be safe. So, Bob just took 2 wagons with his tractor. My dad's taking another one. So we're up to 6. It's good. Price of corn here is $3.06 a bushel. I wish the prices were better, but what are you gonna do? So almost right back at the farm. I'm gonna take this wagon and park it off to the side. It needs a tire. I don't feel comfortable with the tread coming off of it. Wow, we still got a good bit of corn standing in the front field. Say he's got a